Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Hello and welcome. If you're dreaming of a light, airy summer feeling in your cottage or cozy home, you'll love today's video. I've gathered simple, charming decor ideas inspired perfect for sprucing up your space this summer. No fuss, just lovely touches you can easily add today. Let's get started. Fresh wildflowers in mason jars. Pick daisy, lavender, or gyrs and display them in simple glass jars, ideal for a breezy cottage touch. Wicker baskets by the door. Hang one or two on coat racks or walls to hold seasonal scarves, slippers, or hats. Vintage checkered tablecloth. A red or blue gingham cloth warms up the kitchen or dining table instantly. Woven wall baskets as art. Arrange several round woven baskets on a wall for rustic visual texture. Coastal shutters on interior windows. Paint lightweight shutters in soft blue or white and hang inside to echo seaside charm. Driftwood and shell tray. Gather natural items like driftwood, sand dollars, or shells in a shallow tray for a coastal accent. Linen throw over sofa. Drape a neutral or pastel linen throw over a chair or sofa. Cool in texture, warm in style. Herb pots on windowsill. Small clay pots of basil, thyme, or lavender bring greenery and fragrance inside. Rustic wooden sign with summer quote. A simple wooden sign painted with Hello Summer or Bless This Home adds sweetness. Cozy outdoor swing chair. Add a wicker or rattan swing on your porch, decorated with cushions and a throw. Pot and hydrangeas near entrance. Place one or two color-rich hydrangeas by your front door or porch to create charm and welcome. Sea glass vases. Use rounded vases in soft blues and greens filled with fresh flowers. Plaid or gingham napkins. Swap plain napkins for plaid or gingham cloth alternatives to add pattern and nostalgia. Candles in rustic holders. Place unscented white candles in wooden or ceramic holders, ideal for evening ambience. Herb-filled centerpiece. Arrange several herb plants in vintage tins on dining tables. Pretty, practical, and fragrant. And that's beautiful, simple ways to bring that fresh summer cottage feel into your home today. If you like these ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more easy home inspiration. Leave me a comment below. Which idea will you try first? See you next time and enjoy your summer home refresh.